Sawyer? Sawyer? Hi, baby.
Don't sleep.
I won't.
Why
Sawyer?
does he like wood? Because he likes chewing wood.
Sawyer. Lacey, come here. Lacey. Come here, baby. Lacey, come here. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Hi, Lacey. They love each other. They just hold on to it. Sawyer chewing on a piece of big wood. Isn't he a bird boy? And Lacey. Say hi. Hello, Sawyer. Yeah, this is my best friend's dog. She's inside getting some monitor. Well, I'm outside with her. Wow, it's nice out here. See. Sawyer. Hi, baby. Lacey? Hi. Leaves are flying all around. Ready for you today. There's our rock. And there's do you like to send me the video of my I already have a friend of me and my friend Jimmy walking across the rock. And she was like, no, hi. Oh, look at you. Okay. Ow. Really? Lacey? Sawyer? She's inside. Wow. Oh, that's her glove. Sawyer! Yeah, I have a makeup tutorial coming later, so yeah. So yeah, what? Say hi, Sydney. I was just interviewing the dogs and they attacked me. They dropped the wood in my lap. Did you seriously get chased? Really?
I've seen my family.
Oh. Let me see the shirt you're wearing.